been a long time, no video. I'm going outside right now. I have 2 dogs following me. And I'm in a dress outfit. And it's 101 degrees with a breeze. Woo, that rhymed. I haven't had a lot to talk about lately, and no videos. Hence the no videos. My parents are... I'm about to get dive bombed by 2 birds. I'm seriously gonna play some fucking badminton with these guys. They have a fucking nest underneath this camper, right here. And these stupid little faggot birds, I don't know who the hell they think they are. I'll play badminton with your ass. Come here. I'm not afraid. Fucking birds, man. Like if I walk out here, they're going to dive bomb me. Serious. I really don't like these birds. See, there's one right there. See, there they go. They're staying so close, watching over me. Their nest is right over there. Hey, there's a bee over by your nest. Go take care of it. Fucking birds. Gonna get dive bombed again. I don't know why I put myself through this. Maybe because I don't have a racket and I'd like to play some badminton. Yeah, but fuck, it's hot. And you're probably wondering why I'm wearing makeup and I'm like got this dressy flashy shirt on. It's because I have a date. Yeah, you know that Navarre dude, yeah. We are just friends now. It's all good. But, I want to play badminton with those birds. Seriously, I do. Be like, here, birdie. Hence the birdie. Captain Obvious. Well, that's about it for now. Okay, I'll tell you a little bit about the date. The date is actually me and my friend Dakota. We flirted for a few weeks on Facebook. We're gonna have some pictures up of us too as of today. Well, tonight at least. And I'm like not really thinking very well because I've had like only 5 hours of sleep last night. It's a pain in the ass. Yeah. So, fucking sun. I'm trying to stay out of the sun. It's 101 degrees with a breeze. Pretty boring too. I can't wait till 5 o'clock. I just gotta finish getting ready. Alright. I'll make another video if I have the time and stuff. I just recently graduated from school. I think I already mentioned that in my last video. I don't know. It's been a while. So, yeah. Congratulations to me. I graduated. If I haven't mentioned it. If so, congratulations again, huh? Yep. So, I will see you guys later. Hopefully I'll have some new videos up soon. I'm sorry that I haven't been into it. Just been out. But Dakota is going to help me make a video one of these days. I promise. Okay? Alright guys, bye.